When someone buys a meal plan, Suzy, what is the how's that process work normally?
So you can go online every Wednesday. You have to put your orders in by noon.
Okay.
And so the menu changes every week.
Okay.
So you have some variety, and you just decide what meals you want to order. And so you order online, or you can call it in. Right now we are going to offer Dr. Tony's patients, if you buy 10 meals, you get one free.
Okay.
So you just have to let us know that Dr. Tony referred you. And so it's just it's a very easy process. So the menu goes up usually on Wednesdays after our deadline. We put the new menu up. And then you just decide you need to get your order in by that next Wednesday. The meals are delivered Friday and Saturdays, depending on your location.
For how many days?
So it's up to you.
Okay.
You can order one meal, you can order 10 meals, it just depends on what you want on the menu.
How long do they last for normally, like 3 or 4 days, 5 days?
I would say they last about 5 days. Yeah.
Cool. Okay.
Yeah.
So last you a full week.
So you have your week, yeah.
Good.
And you can decide, do you want just lunch? We have the breakfast energy bar or energy balls, which are the oats and stuff, and then we have different meals that you can kind of mix up if you want to have that. But it's really nice because it's portioned. It's easy. We can do gluten-free. We can do, if you don't do carbs, we can do, if we have a pasta that week, we can do the squash instead. So there's different things that we can do. And if you do have something special that you have for your diet and you talk to us about it, if you order, I believe it's 10 meals, then we can do some kind of alterations if necessary.